Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Samsung Apps and go to My Files. Allow, and right here you've got the File Manager. You can find recently added files, all of your images, videos, audio files, documents, downloads, and application files. Also, you can browse internal storage, SD card, OneDrive, Google Drive, and network storage. Next, you can enter Recycle bin, and you can analyze your storage. If you go to Menu, you can clear Recent File List, Edit Menu Layout, and go to Settings. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.